Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics right. Test your mic and push-to-talk, then join a public or invite-only session where people are actually doing activities. Once in, present yourself as non-threatening, switch to a neutral car, and avoid provoking players. Make quick, friendly offers, trade missions, heists, or VIP work. This shows you're ready to cooperate and makes others comfortable. By taking these first concrete steps, you create opportunities to meet players who are open to teamwork rather than instant conflict. Once connected, focus on shared activities that force cooperation, short missions, races, or VIP work where success depends on teamwork. Communicate simply and often, call out roles, set waypoints, and give countdowns so everyone knows what to do. Make sure to explain why a plan helps the team. People join when they see clear benefit. When things go well, reward collaborators with fair payout splits or invites to your crew. These repeated positive interactions turn casual partners into reliable allies. To lock in friendships, invite consistent players to your crew or external chat and schedule a recurring session so habits form. Follow up after a good run, say thanks, suggest next time, and share contact info. If griefers appear, disengage, move sessions, or use passive mode and report repeat offenders. Don't escalate. Make sure to set simple rules for your group so new members know what's acceptable. These final steps build trust. And one troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, change session fast and reconnect later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.